While February is National Children's Dental Health Month, a checkup is a good idea any time of the year. But going to the dentist doesn't have to be scary. The friendly staff at Baribeau Pediatric Dental Specialists are ready to welcome your kids of all ages into their fun and festive office.
We have different rooms decorated different ways. Always try to make it fun. Different terminology, kids friendly, no scary words.
Well, they should be able to come in and expect it's kind of a fun and interesting place to go. Our practice is set up so that different age groups go different places and different treatments go different places. So we're setting in a 2-chair bay op, which is for children basically from 5 to 10 to have a dental checkup. When they get bigger, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, they're upstairs. The chairs are bigger, the space is bigger. It also offers more privacy.
Dr. Doug is a third-generation dentist and lifelong Michigan resident who chose Port Huron in particular to call home.
Been a dentist since 1972. It took 2 extra years to be a specialist in pediatric dentistry. We selected Port Huron as a community to come to, and we're real happy with the community and our family that's here.
The office decor is also a family matter, designed with kids in mind to keep them relaxed and entertained.
This one is my favorite room, the game room. We have a football TV, it's, Michigan State. This is one of my favorites.
Maybe the frog room is my favorite room because you only get to go there if you're real little. And it used to be a bunny room. And a lot of the parents that bring their children to me now remember being in the bunny room. They remember all the bunnies.
In addition to the environment, kids are catered to in all steps of care, from calming their nerves in the waiting room to walking out with a smile and a prize.
Yeah, we do 1, 2, 3s and ABCs. Yes, versus the teeth number. We have sleepy juice, or we're going to tickle your teeth, cleaning them. So in some kids, they love it. They start giggling and giggling. So it takes longer to do it because they're giggling, but they're not crying. And then we have some kids, like I said, they have to have work done. So we just try to make it the easiest and the best for them. We maybe hold their hands and talk to them. That scary part's all done. Now let's go to the next, So we do our best.
For patients who could still use a little extra care, special services are common practice at Baribeau Pediatric Dental Specialists, thanks in part to McLaren Hospital.
McLaren Hospital has allowed us to go to the hospital where the child is actually put to sleep. We fix their teeth and they wake up. And one of the beauties of that is when they wake up, they're not numb anywhere unless they've had a tooth taken out. Because when you're asleep, you don't have to have the shot to freeze your teeth. So they wake up and they kind of wonder why they were in the hospital, and they go home and everything is fixed.
While dental care is important throughout your life, pediatric dentistry is especially rewarding.
With children, you can always grow into better teeth. And so that's really what's rewarding about it. To go to the hospital with a 3-year-old to do crowns on 12 teeth. They have them come in for their next checkup, and they hop up in the chair and they smile and they say, "Hi, Dr. Baribeau." Unlike some adult practices, many of my children outgrow me every year. Some outgrow me early, some outgrow me later on, and that's okay. We have some of our handicapped patients that are in their 40s and maybe 1 or 2 in their 50s, and they haven't outgrown me yet.
As only one of 2 pediatric dental specialists in St. Clair County, you may think the Baribeau books are too busy for you, but there's always room for new patients. Plus, it's easy to remember how to get in touch with them, and they're conveniently located in downtown Port Huron.
We are located at 1026 Superior Street. We're actually right next to Pine Grove Park and next to, kind of like kitty corner from the hospital. And I always tell everybody, if you go by the eye center, you went too far. If you pull in the eye center driveway, keep going, you're going to run right into us. We're the big brick building with the blue awning that says kids.
Our phone number is 984-KIDS. That's good to know in case of emergency and you can't remember the dentist's phone number. Mine is 984-KIDS.
At Baribeau Pediatric Dental Specialists, it's all in the name. Baribeau and his family-friendly staff focus on treating each patient with special care and consideration from a pediatric perspective. So if you're considering taking your kid to the dentist, don't forget about Dr. Baribeau. For EBW TV, I'm Lily Campo.